Bore da a croeso I Gair Cymraeg y Dydd heddiw. Good morning and welcome to today's Welsh Word of the Day. As you can see, I'm outside. It's a little bit chilly. Got the winning hat on. We won't mention last night. And today's Welsh Word of the Day is another European country, or at least it's in the Eurovision Song Contest. And it's one of my favourite European countries, though it's as far from Europe as you can pretty much get. Today's Welsh word for the day is Australia. And I bet you can't get what that is in English. You're right. Australia. This is a special one from my brother-in-law and sister-in-law, John and Kirst, out in, well, north of Sydney at the minute, but from Melbourne originally, but not in lockdown at the minute. They escaped that. Australia. Australia, one of my favourite countries from that famous European singing contest for countries in Europe, the Eurovision. Australia. Remember to say it as you see it. Mwynhewch, enjoy, hwyl fawr.